Good morning, and welcome to another episode of Outside with Mr. Mike. Today I am at the American River, doing something a little bit different than I normally do. I'm actually going to be bank fishing today, which is not something I normally do. I prefer to be out on the water, but I have a couple of hours, so we're going to go after some salmon. Season opened yesterday, and I've never gone after salmon, so it's going to be a whole new experience for me. A little cottontail. Hey buddy, we are going to see what we can do. And I just realized I left all of my salmon tackle in the car, so we'll be right back. Alright. So something a little bit different today. Doing some bank fishing. I only have a couple of hours. Not even that, I don't think, this morning, so didn't want to bring out the whole kayak and do that. I've actually never kayaked the American. I've gone through Lake Natoma and that, but never properly kayaked the American. Kind of scares me, to be completely honest. People die in this river every single year from drowning, so an important reminder to wear your PFD. I'm just running a spoon today. Nothing fancy, just a spoon. The area that I'm currently fishing in, you are allowed to have barbed hooks, hence why I have a barbed hook. Ansel, Hoffman, and East, you are required to use a barbless hook. Got a ton of information from a guy working at Turner Sportsman. So shout out to him. He was super knowledgeable. Gave me a ton of information that helped me out. So appreciate you, man. Snag. Oh, got it free. No, I didn't. There we go. So I'm currently running a 6.5 foot medium heavy pole. Actually a pretty funny story behind this pole. It was a once in a lifetime situation. I was fishing a local pond down in the Central Valley, and I had a knot in my line, not using this pole. I was running a Castmaster, going after some stock trout, and I let the Castmaster sink to the bottom so I could undo the knot in my line, and as I'm reeling in, another line comes up. I was like, okay, typical. I snagged another person's line. Super common in a situation like that, fishing in a urban pond. Well, as the line comes up, so does the back end of this pole. And I was like, what the heck? So, sorry, it was the front end of this pole. So I thought that, maybe the pole had snapped and someone cut their line. No, this entire pole comes out of this little tiny urban pond. And on top of that, it was hooked onto a grass carp. I did not land the grass carp, but it was it was an interesting story, and I got a free rod out of it, pretty decent rod. So definitely not a bad situation. So I have been to this section of the American in the past. Not fishing. Well, I did fish, but I didn't know what the hell I was doing. So I do know that there's a pretty decent grass bed directly in front of me. And this is not slack water, but it is a little bit on the slower side. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but about halfway down or halfway across the river is where the main current lies. So I don't think that my cast is getting out far enough to do anything, but we'll see what's up. There is, however, some sort of fish movement right there. Saw some ripples right in this little section right in front of me. Oh, it felt like something. Trying to bomb it out there and get a slow retrieve on it. Give it a couple more casts here. I think I'm going to go to another spot because these salmon I don't think are going to be in this slack water here. And if you have a better idea of what you're doing than me, which is more than likely, leave a comment. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Let me know what I'm doing right. Any tips, tricks, info is, as always, greatly appreciated. That's a snag. I moved upriver about, I don't know, 150 yards. I'm closer to the boat ramp now, so got a pretty decent lane right here. So we'll see what's up. It's a little bit rockier. I do expect a snag, more so than at that other spot, but I think I stand a little bit of a better chance here. Oh yeah, right in the main current. Let's go. I almost brought my water shoes today, and last minute decision, decided not to, and I'm regretting that. I should have brought them. I think it's shallow enough right here I could probably get away with it. That was a bite. That was 100% a bite. Not yet. I heard the feather yesterday was on fire. Yeah. Right, exactly. So. Right, exactly. It's still early in the season though, so. Yeah. Right. Yeah, they are. It's about, the water right here has probably gone up 2-3 feet in the last week. Right. Right. So. Oh, 100%.
You know, the Feather River, the early fish always come up there first.
Right, exactly. Exactly. So.
You just go to the third needle after bay and catch them.
Right.
I don't think you can fish that area.
You still can.
Can you?
Yeah. Yeah, it was a madhouse up there yesterday, from what I hear.
Is it?
Yeah. So.
Did you catch any?
A few.
Yeah.
A few. So.
They're using beads or?
I'm sorry?
They're using beads?
I believe so. Yeah. So.
Going up to Union Valley camping on Sunday.
Oh, there you go.
I wasn't going over up there. I was going over there.
Right. Right. So.
Yeah,
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, I got here like 25-30 minutes ago. Oh, are they? Okay. So. Yeah, we'll see what's up. So. Alright, right on. There we go. You too. Alright, y'all. That's going to do it for me today. I've been outside. You've been outside with Mr. Mike. Take care, y'all. Catch you on the next one.